After assigning the relationships in Primavera P6 Professional, now I will schedule. Why we did the relationships? Because the critical path method is all based on the relationships, that which activity will come after an activity and which activity will come after an activity. So I have done all the relationships. Here you can see all the relationships are assigned. Okay, now I will go for scheduling. Here is date 25th of June 2018 8 a.m. but today's date is 2nd of August. So here I will change it to 2nd of August. It will be the date of the start of the project. So you can select any date. At that date your project will start. So I am selecting 2nd of August. Select and schedule. After running the schedule, you can see here is all the activities comes in a relationship, but here we can see a breakdown that DPC is not coming behind the excavation. So we can also check from a view log. View log. Okay, here are the warnings. Here are the activities without predecessor. First one is kickoff meeting, that is the start to start, it will be okay, and the finish project, it's this activity is also okay, but the activity DPC and excavation is not without the without the predecessor or successor. So here I will go again in the DPC. So here I can say there is no predecessor. So here I will assign predecessor excavation. Okay, now I will again go for the scheduling. Here I click. So now we can see the red path is showing the critical path. For all of the project. Now we can see here is showing the original duration, percent complete, total float. If there is any float between the activities, so that amount will be shown here. Thank you.